everyone, welcome to Coffee with Merri. On today's show, I am going to show you how to make my Asian Sesame Cashew Salad. Creamy cashews, red onions, red and yellow peppers, a lot of crunchy vegetables, cucumbers, both romaine and iceberg lettuce. And for the dressing, it's Kraft's Asian Toasted Sesame Dressing. It has that hint of sweetness with ginger and garlic and soy sauce. You are going to absolutely love this salad. Sit back, relax, enjoy the episode, and grab yourself a cup of coffee.
I washed my vegetables the night before so that all I would have to do on the day of making the salad is to just give them a quick rinse and begin preparing the chopping and putting the salad together. So you just wash them and you pat them dry, the vegetables. You chop all your vegetables. Look how colorful those yellow peppers are. That is the red onion. Oh, the red onion adds the perfect topping to the salad. It also adds a hint of sweetness as well. The vegetables are now prepped, and we will assemble the salad. I start with the lettuce and the red onions, then added the yellow and red peppers, cucumbers, and start all over again. See, it's very easy, and look how beautiful the salad is. So much color. This is going to be such a treat. Now for those cashews. Do a light toss, and there you go. Finally, the Asian toasted sesame dressing. Enjoy. Take time out of your busy schedule for a good lunch and try this recipe at home. You're going to thank me for it. It is bursting with so much color and a combination of different flavors from the slightly sweet to the savory and a hint of spicy. You know what? This is good enough to share. Would you like to have a little bit? Oh, well, maybe next time. I promise I'll share next time, but you're going to love this recipe. Enjoy.
So thank you so much for joining us for Coffee with Merri. Come back next week. We are doing part 2 of the summer lunch episode, and I'm going to introduce you to 2 very delicious and very filling sandwiches. You are going to love it. We're going to take that childhood tradition of bagged lunch, lunchbox lunch, and kick it up a few notches. What is your favorite childhood lunch that your mom or dad used to pack for you? I'll see you later. Thank you so much for joining us today. On behalf of my boyfriend, Harry DeMarco, and I, have a blessed week. We love you. Thank you for your support. And join us next week for another Coffee with Merri. You have a unique look. Own it. Own that look.